Mothermaker NHL Early Bird Special. Thursday, November 10th. Calgary versus Boston. Bandits Early Bird Special. Start your day with a winner. Bandits Early Bird NHL Special. Calgary versus Boston. Be sure to subscribe. Click the bell icon. Support the channel. It's good karma for you. Calgary versus Boston. Bandits Early Bird Special. NHL Special. Monarch Bandit playing Boston Bruins minus 171 on the money line. Boston Bruins minus 171. Monarch Bandit King of the 1 minute videos. Making you money 100% free in 1 minute. Monarch out. Choo choo. Subscribe. Support the channel. It's good karma for you.